Hello everyone! I promise I shut the AC off, so hopefully that's not too loud in the beginning here, but it will cease to make noise in just a moment. But I don't want to wait because I have got my first Stitch Fix here at the new apartment. I love doing these videos. The majority of y'all seem to enjoy these videos of mine. I know a lot of people say that this is all just overpriced garbage, but I personally disagree. Some months are certainly better than others, but you know, that's part of the fun of it. I always have my affiliate link down below. It earns me kickback. It earns you a discount off your box if you want to use it, if you want to try out Stitch Fix. I believe it pretty much gets you your first fix for free, maybe, or it just like waives the styling fee, maybe, because it's 20 bucks to get styled. But if you end up keeping anything from your box will contain 5 items. Could be clothing, accessories, shoes, any of that kind of stuff, jewelry. And if you end up keeping anything, that $20 styling fee ends up going towards the thing that you purchased. I don't believe I requested anything this time around, but it also comes with a pre-stamped mailer bag, so you don't have to worry about paying for exchanges or returns. Ooh, it looks like we might have some shoes in here. God, it feels like sweaters though. It's not sweater weather yet! I wish. It's technically autumn. But just because we have it marked on our calendars does not mean that it actually feels like autumn. Okay, so it's usually shoes that come in a bag like this. Let's see what they are. Ooh, Dolce Vita. Oh, okay. Not sure that these are my style, to be completely honest, with the rope stuff, but who knows, maybe once they're on my foot I might change my mind. Looks like it's got a kind of woven wedge to it. I also just worry, I feel like Dolce Vita shoes tend to run very slim, so I'm nervous since this doesn't have like adjuster buckles or anything on it. I don't know that it's gonna be able to fit over my fat foot. Well, that it's gonna fit over either of my feet because they're both wide, but then especially my damaged foot that gets extra wide, especially when I'm walking a lot or when it's hot out. But that's part of what I enjoy about Stitch Fix, is that it has me try things that I otherwise wouldn't. So we shall see. Maybe my mind will be changed. And yes, okay, so it looks like denim, sweater, other thing. Let's see what we got. A tank top, maybe? All right, not exactly the most breathable material, and by that I mean it's literally not gonna be breathable at all. It's this kind. Do you hear the kind of scratchiness? That's a Stitch Fix exclusive. I mean, it looks like a tank top. That's cute. It's got a scallop to it along the neckline. Just black, floral, flouncy. Looks a little cropped though, and just overall not necessarily my style, but we'll see. Again, I'm gonna wait until I try things on to make final judgments. Brand Pink. I think I've gotten anything from them before, but it feels like a nice soft sweater. Again, I'm not completely jazzed to be touching a sweater right now, but really cute. This is definitely up my alley in terms of style. It's just got 3 different colored stripes on it to go with the cream. So we've got like kind of a rusty berry, we've got kind of a rusty strawberry, and then a nice yellow ochre at the bottom. All right, that has potential. Ooh, another thing from Pink. I love this color. It's a cardigan, which means I'm probably gonna love it, especially because it's like see-through. So that means I won't get too hot in it. But I mean, it just looks like a very standard cardigan otherwise. No buttons or anything, but pockets. So cool. And then it looks like Denim Studio Blue. I think I've gotten something from them before, but I don't fit in them anymore. These are a size 16, so we shall see. I feel like I'm right in between a 16 and an 18. They do feel stretchy, but they also feel quite choky around the neck. But it just looks like a nice light wash, distressed pair of denim. So I'll try them on. I'll keep my fingers and toes crossed that they actually fit, and we shall see. And we shall see together. Alrighty, we'll figure out a background for these Stitch Fix videos eventually. Pardon my painting craft station over here for now. The idea was here, for sure. It's just this tank top, I cannot wait to get this off my body. It's like very tight around the armpits, which is so uncomfortable. It's also a little bit tight around the bust, for sure. Like I said, the idea of it is cute. I love this scalloped neckline, but like also I would love for it to come down just a little bit lower. This cardigan is so soft and comfy. I'm trying real hard not to fall in love with this because I don't know, something's telling me it's gonna be expensive, but like I said, I love that it's like see-through because that means it's not gonna be too hot on me. Also, I have such good luck with jeans from Stitch Fix, I swear. These are so soft and comfy and stretchy. They fit me so perfectly. Like, they're just snug and loose enough. Aim you down for a second here so you can see they're the perfect length on me, being a boot ankle cut, I believe, but the booty's good. Like, it fits so nice. Let's see, these shoes. I have no hope that my fat foot is gonna fit through here. Oh, it didn't have a chance. Let's see if even my skinny foot. No, Dolce Vita, they don't make shoes for the wide-footed, at least not that I've ever found. All right, I feel like y'all are gonna hate this sweater on me, but this is so up my alley. It is so soft and comfortable and cute. I love the sleeve length, how it's a little bit past my wrist there. I do wish it was just the teensy bit longer, but I am trying to embrace my pooch, or at her. So anyone who says anything about, Cassie, those jeans don't fit, they emphasize your fupa. Well, first off, let's not get into the argument of what a fupa actually is. And second off, shh, I am embracing my body for what and how it is. It just is. Let me be soft and squishy, please. It ain't hurting anyone. It's too squishy to hurt anyone. Come on now. But yeah, I think this sweater is really cute. It's probably gonna be expensive because it does feel quite nice. But for now, let me enjoy it. I think it's real cute. All right, so if you haven't already been able to tell when I was trying the clothing on, it is a different day here from when I unboxed this. My camera battery had died the first day that I unboxed this. And by the time it had charged again, no daylight. So I just was like, you know what? Let's just do this a different day. So just in case you're wondering. Oh my God, they put this in upside down. I can't accept that. Are you ready? Oh, hello. It's been so long. Okay, so let's see. I did. Yay, my girl Emily. Happy Fix Day and happy fall. I've got the cutest clothes to help you welcome in the new season. I hope you'll find a few new faves in this box. I did actually. I found a few. 3. I've started by grabbing a totally on-trend pair of distressed jeans. They're super comfy. Be sure what you think about the fit at checkout. Oh, I will. And in this video. Love it. Perfect for me. Try them on with the gorgeous scalloped blouse and layer on the cardigan. Oh girl, I saw what you were doing in this box. I did. It was a cute outfit. That tank does not work for me for many reasons. And then also you can put on the Dolce Vita heels for date night. First off, what date night? Are you asking me out, girl? Shucks, I'm flattered. But yeah, Dolce Vita, please, never again. I have way too wide a feet to ever work for that brand, for the most part. Every now and then there's an outlier, but for the most part, it's just a no-go for me. And then for a more laid-back vibe, try the jeans with the adorable wide-striped sweater and some fashion sneakers and you're good to go. Well, thank you, Emily. I agree, that would be very cute. But first, girl, I gotta know the prices. I gotta know. I know I'm keeping the jeans. Let's see if I can also get a sweater or two. All right, so the jeans actually cheaper than I would have thought. I thought they were gonna be in the 80s just based on the feel and everything. Seriously, they are so soft and comfy. They're actually only $64, which I mean, you know, expensive, but like for me, I'm thinking back to like high school and stuff where I was, you know, my mom would take me and my brother once a year before school to get new jeans, and the only ones that fit me back then were from The Buckle, and those were all like $120 plus. So like 64. Yeah, it's more than a thrift price, but I'm at a place where I'm okay with it for a good pair of jeans, especially after having gained weight. The sweater and the cardigan are both $44 a piece, so I might have to pick between those two. I'll probably keep the cardigan, but I might keep both because that's how Stitch Fix gets ya. now I have them, and so I want to keep them. We'll see. I might be good and send one of them back. Dolce Vita block heels are 60 bucks. I feel like that's pretty on par for Dolce Vita, but I can't even get my foot halfway in them, so those will not be kept. And then the scallop detail blouse is $38, which I will also not be keeping because of fit issues and the material. Not breathable, so I'm not gonna wear it or keep it. So that is that. I hope you guys enjoyed apparently my 33rd Stitch Fix based on my notes and everything. Definitely let me know what you thought of the clothes on me. Do you like them or not? I mean, let's be supportive of each other, please. I feel good in those jeans. Why go in the comments and tell me you think I look ugly? Inevitably it happens in these videos, but whatever. I feel good in the jeans. I'm keeping the jeans. I'm keeping one or maybe both of the sweaters. Either way, you can let me know your opinions and all that in the comments down below. You can also let me know if you enjoyed the video, found it helpful somehow. I always have my affiliate link down below also, so please use that. Get me and yourself some kickback. Check out Stitch Fix if you would like. It's only an option if you would like. But yeah, subscribe. Did I say that? Notification bell, tippity tap it. Hey, hi, hello, how are ya? This outro's going great. But I really would. I would love to have you here. And as always, I just hope you guys are all doing well, and until next time, just stay well until then. Bye!